Welcome to Halim's Tech Visions. I bet you didn't know how telecom networks shape our world. In the blink of an eye, we can share a message with someone across the globe. We can collaborate on projects with colleagues continents away. This instant communication, taken for granted in our modern world, is made possible by a complex and fascinating infrastructure telecom networks. These networks, the invisible threads connecting our digital lives, are the backbone of our interconnected world. Understanding their different forms, capabilities, and impact is crucial to navigating the 21st century. Telecom networks, short for telecommunications networks, are essentially systems designed to transmit information over long distances. They encompass a vast and intricate web of technologies, protocols, and infrastructure that enable us to communicate and share data at an unprecedented scale. From the simple act of making a phone call to streaming high-definition videos, these networks underpin countless aspects of our daily lives. This essay delves into the world of telecom networks, exploring their different types, advancements, and the profound impact they have on our society. By unraveling the complexities of these networks, we gain a deeper appreciation for their essential role in shaping our interconnected world. Section 2, LAN, your personal network neighborhood. The most familiar type of telecom network is the local area network, or LAN. LANs are confined to a relatively small geographic area, typically within a single building or campus. Think of your home Wi-Fi network or the network connecting computers in an office building. These networks allow devices to communicate directly with each other, sharing files, printers, and internet access. LANs are characterized by their high speed and low latency, meaning data can be transmitted quickly with minimal delays. This is because the distances involved are relatively short, and the network infrastructure is often owned and managed by a single entity. This control allows for greater customization and optimization, making LANs ideal for applications that require high bandwidth and low latency, such as gaming, video conferencing, and data-intensive tasks. LANs are typically owned and managed by a single entity, such as a homeowner or a business. This allows for greater control over the network and its security. Section 3, MAN, bridging the city gap. Stepping up in scale, we encounter metropolitan area networks, or MANs. These networks span larger geographic areas than LANs, typically covering an entire city or metropolitan region. MANs often connect multiple LANs together, providing a wider network infrastructure for organizations with multiple locations within a city. A common example of a MAN is a university campus network that connects various departments and buildings across a large area. MANs can also be used by businesses to connect their offices in different parts of a city, allowing for seamless communication and data sharing between locations. MANs offer a balance between the speed and cost-effectiveness of LANs and the wider reach of WANs. They provide a robust networking solution for organizations that need to connect multiple locations within a specific geographic area. Section 4, WAN, connecting continents and beyond. At the top of the scale are wide area networks, or WANs. These networks span vast geographical distances connecting countries and continents. The internet, the ultimate WAN, is a prime example. WANs rely on a complex infrastructure of cables, satellites, and other technologies to transmit data across long distances. WANs are essential for global communication and commerce. They allow businesses to operate across borders, enable international financial transactions, and connect people from all corners of the world. Without WANs, our world would be a much less connected and less efficient place. WANs are the backbone of our interconnected world, facilitating global communication and enabling the seamless flow of information across continents. Section 5, advantages and disadvantages, weighing the network scales. Each type of network comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Local area networks, or LANs, offer high speed and low cost but are limited by their geographical reach. Metropolitan area networks, or MANs, provide a good balance between speed, cost, and coverage but may require specialized equipment and expertise to manage. Wide area networks, or WANs, offer global reach but can be expensive to implement and maintain. Understanding these trade-offs is crucial when choosing the right network solution for a particular application. For example, a small business operating from a single location may only need a LAN, while a multinational corporation will require a WAN to connect its offices around the world. The choice of network depends on factors such as cost, performance requirements, security needs, and the geographical scope of the organization. Section 6. Technological advancements shaping the future of connectivity. The world of telecom networks is constantly evolving, driven by technological advancements that push the boundaries of speed, capacity, and reliability. Fiber optics, 5G, and cloud computing are some of the key technologies shaping the future of connectivity. Fiber optic cables using light to transmit data offer significantly faster speeds and higher bandwidth than traditional copper cables. 5G, the latest generation of cellular technology, promises lightning-fast download speeds and ultra-low latency, enabling a new wave of mobile applications and services. Cloud computing, with its ability to store and process vast amounts of data remotely, is transforming the way businesses operate and individuals access information. These technologies are not just improving the performance of existing networks, but also enabling new possibilities in areas such as telehealth, remote work, and the Internet of Things. Section 7. Societal impact. A world transformed. The impact of telecom networks on society is profound and far-reaching. They have transformed the way we communicate, work, learn, and entertain ourselves. The Internet in particular has become an indispensable tool for communication, information access, and commerce. Social media platforms powered by telecom networks have connected billions of people worldwide, allowing us to share our lives, ideas, and experiences in real time. E-commerce has revolutionized the way we shop, giving us access to goods and services from all over the world. Online education has made learning more accessible, breaking down geographical barriers and offering new opportunities for personal and professional development. Telecom networks have democratized access to information, empowered individuals, and fostered a more interconnected and interdependent world. Section 8. Opportunities and challenges. Navigating the networked future. As telecom networks continue to evolve, they present both exciting opportunities and significant challenges. On the one hand, advancements in network technology promise to connect even more people and devices, enabling new possibilities in areas such as telehealth, remote work, and smart cities. On the other hand, the increasing reliance on networks brings concerns about cybersecurity, data privacy, and the digital divide. As we become more connected, we also become more vulnerable to cyber attacks, data breaches, and the spread of misinformation. Bridging the digital divide, ensuring equitable access to technology and digital literacy, is crucial for creating a more inclusive and equitable society. Navigating the opportunities and challenges of the networked future requires collaboration between governments, businesses, and individuals to ensure that these powerful technologies are used for the benefit of all. Section 9. Conclusion. Understanding the networks that bind us. Telecom networks are the invisible threads that connect our world, shaping the way we communicate, work, and live. From the simple act of sending an email to the complexities of global financial markets, these networks underpin countless aspects of our daily lives. As technology continues to advance, these networks will become even more powerful and pervasive, offering new opportunities and challenges. Understanding the different types of telecom networks, their capabilities, and their impact on society is essential for navigating the 21st century. By appreciating the complexities of these networks, we can harness their power to create a more connected, informed, and equitable world. As we move forward, it is imperative that we continue to invest in research, development, and education to ensure that everyone has the opportunity to benefit from the transformative power of telecom networks. The future of our interconnected world depends on our ability to understand, manage, and shape the networks that bind us.